Okay, so apparently to remove the hubs, you need to take this pin out, take this cage off, undo the nut behind it. Around the back, we've got the caliper bolts. There's one here, and one somewhere down the bottom. Yeah, anyway. Got to take the brake line off to allow the caliper to come free. Have to take the this lower arm suspension arm, take that bolt out. Take the ball joint is held on underneath by two nuts. One here. Focus. Anyway, one this side and one the other side. They've got to come off. What else? There's the lower caliper retaining bolt, that one. Take the round towards the front of the car, you've got another arm. Take this bolt out, and the handbrake retaining clip, unbolt that. This handbrake retaining clip, and I guess the the anti-roll bar is linked to the subframe. Might be able to. I've already taken the bolts out on the anti-roll bar where it goes to the subframe, the anti-roll bar mount. So maybe that will come free from the subframe. I guess, yeah, we're going to need to take the suspension upright bolts as well, the strut bolts, and then disconnect the drive shaft. I don't know if we can see, yep, from this side. I think the drive shaft's like a two-piece drive shaft, so we should be able to take that out by unbolting all of those bolts around there. I seem to have an oil leak. It's a very slow one though, but something. Yeah, so I'm going to do that.